From washing to drying, we have you covered every step of the way. Our Big Bird brushes are available in soft, medium, and stiff for cleaning various surfaces. Maya's Mid Cleaning Cloth is perfect for washing hatches and railings. It is super soft, scrubs away dirt and all residue, rinses out with a quick spray. After a wash down, swap out our brush for a Snap-on chamois mop to dry. All of our attachments are compatible with the standard Snap-on handles, like our 5-foot Palm Beach pole. TD Mop chamois material is super absorbent, durable, and soft. Grab the Hydro Swipe chamois for a handheld option. Use our Snap-on to dry any smooth surface and leave it streak-free and shiny. The mop top fits on all TD mops. Your mops stay cleaner, organized, and protected against foul weather too. Find everything in select stores and on tdmops.com.